Hey you guys, it's your girl, yours truly beauty, Tamika, and this is yours truly beauty crafting edition. If you guys didn't know, I am a crafter. I love crafting. I love decor, and I truly enjoy decorating my home. And so in this video, I am going to show you guys how I transform my dining room because we're approaching spring. And I just decided to change my dining room decor to get ready for Easter. Yay! Easter, resurrection. And so I actually got this idea. I was shopping at Family Dollar and I saw this door hanger. And I thought this was so different for Easter. I was like, that's so different than the pastel colors that we're used to. And so I decided to go ahead and change my decor, because at the time I had a spring kind of a purple and yellow and lemon for spring. That was my decor. So I decided to go ahead and change it up a little bit and use the buffalo plaid. I still had some black and white buffalo plaid from Christmas that I'd stored away. So I decided, hey, why not? Let me go ahead and change up my decor and do something more of a rustic look. So for Easter. So I'm just going to show you guys what I did purchase. I actually found these adorable bunnies. So when I found the door hanger, I actually found these too. These are on the same aisle at Family Dollar. These are only $5 a piece. And they came with the little burlap bow on it. This is so cute. And so I decided to purchase these. And this was my inspiration. Once I saw these, I'm like, I can do a whole, I can just change my whole dining room decor and just do a whole, this is kind of a farmhouse rustic look. So I can't wait to pull all this together. So what I purchased, this was $5 at Family Dollar, as you can see. What I'm going to do with the door hanger is I'm going to make a wreath. I actually have some materials. You guys saw I purchased this at Hobby Lobby. No, it was not on sale. I didn't catch it on the 50% off sale, but it was $11.99. Not too bad. So I got 2 rolls of burlap from Hobby Lobby. And then I ordered some extra items from Amazon to add to the decor. I don't know exactly how I'm going to use these yet, but this whole bag was like $15. And I'm just going to show you briefly what came in the bag. It has these little appliques with lace and burlap that you can use as glue-ons. You can add them to your decor, and it comes with these little sticky swatches here, or you can use your glue gun. But yeah, look at all these cute rustic burlap materials. Some of them have pearl-like in the middle. Some of them are just floor petals. I mean, super cute. And it also came with rolls of burlap and lace, just different prints, different designs. Super, super cute. It even has butterflies. I mean, with bows on them. I mean, you just can't beat that. So I decided to use these, and I'm going to place them somewhere. I actually brought a mason jar because it is more of a rustic farmhouse look. I did purchase a mason jar, and I just spray painted it outside. I spray painted it white. So I bought a little bottle of white spray paint, and it's outside drying as I speak here. So also, I found this letter T at Hobby Lobby. This was $2.99, and it already had a rustic look to it because the edges, it's white, but the edges look a little worn. So this was super cute. So I decided to pick this up, and I'm going to add that to somewhere. I'm going to add that to the table decor. And let's see what else I have. I have these. I ordered these from Amazon. These are carrots, and they're a burlap material as well. And I'm going to, I don't know, I just saw that and was like, hey, I can add that somewhere, incorporate the carrot in my decor. And what else? Oh, and last but not least, oh yeah, I found this in my storage. I was trying to figure out what centerpiece I can use. And so I found this little floral piece that I used to use. I used to just kind of have it in my kitchen, and I actually put this up in my storage. And I said, I'm going to use this as my centerpiece. It looks very Easterish, kind of grass, Easter themed. So I decided I'm going to add that. And what else? Oh, last but not least, I have these pillowcases. Oh my God, these are so cute. These burlap pillowcases with the buffalo plaid, and it has the bow. It's a bunny and it has a cottontail. Isn't that adorable? And I ordered this on Amazon as well. And then there's one black and white polka dot, and then the other one has the black and white polka dot with a black tail. Yeah, this is so cute. So I'm gonna add that somewhere to my decor. But that's it. So you guys stay tuned. When I come back, I will have the okay, so I have this spool of burlap and lace that I hot glued around the base of my centerpiece. And I was trying to decide which one of the appliques I should add to my little opening here, which is going to be the front of the vase. And this one seemed a little bit too much. Yeah, didn't like that one. And I'm thinking about adding this one or this one. I don't know, which one you think? I kind of like that. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, as you can see, I am done with my wreath. This turned out super cute. Took me about 10 to 15 minutes to do. I got the wire wreath and I just fed the burlap. I actually only needed one. No, this turned out so cute. Oh my God. Okay, so I decided to use the carrots as a napkin holder. And let's see here. I took a napkin ring and I just hot glued one of these appliques. I did two different type of designs. So one of them looks like this here, has that applique, and the other has this petal applique on there. And so I wanted it to look like a bushel of lettuce, and it does. It looks like kind of like lettuce. And of course the whole rabbit thing and lettuce, and of course the petals for spring. So I think that turned out cute. Yeah, so these are my napkin rings, napkin holders, and I'm just using the carrots as a little added decor. All right, stay tuned. All right, as you can see, this turned out so cute. Yay. All right, this is the white mason jar. I spray painted it white. It was a clear jar. I wrapped some of the ribbon, burlap lace ribbon around, and hot glued it, and I put one of the appliques on the front here, and I just took a little bit of the material that I had and wrapped that around the top of it and tied it on and just got it super cute, and that's gonna go on the table as well. All right, let me get this finished up. Okay, you guys, here it is, the final reveal. I enjoyed creating this decor so much. I mean, it's very clean, modern, eclectic, just very different for Easter, right? The whole buffalo plaid theme, and it's just, I had a ball doing the whole farmhouse, rustic look, the whole mason jar. This was my first time spray painting a mason jar. And yeah, I think that came out really cute. And it just adds a nice little rustic touch to it. Some of the buffalo plaid I had from Christmas, some of those balls that you see there, those are left over from the holidays. I love the bed of lettuce with the carrot on top. I mean, this was just so much fun. I so appreciate you guys for watching this video. And please feel free to like and subscribe and leave a comment. And happy Easter. Bye-bye.